Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Uncut Eats with, of course, me, B. Now, today, guys, I have a ribeye here. I seasoned this up about 2 days ago, and I didn't end up cooking it, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I cook a ribeye in the oven, real quick and easy. All right, this one is about a pound, 16 ounces, so it's a nice size one. So if you look over here, I got a pot right here because I'm gonna end up putting this in the oven. So you want to use a stainless steel pot. Well, with one of the the whole thing is metal, no plastic on it. That's gonna end up melting in the oven, right? Or unless you're gonna put yours on a rack. But because I'm using this pot because I'm gonna put the whole thing in the oven. So first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead, I add a little bit of olive oil to this. And guys, this pot is already kind of hot, so if you realize, I don't know if you can see it from your end, but it's already smoking a little bit. And that's what you're looking for. The smoke tells you that the oil is, hot. Now, in the meantime also, you want to make sure that you put your oven on broil. Once you press broil, so let me get this back off. You just press broil, go up, so I'll keep mine on high. Alright, that's what you're looking for. You let that get hot. Now you see this is smoking, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and grab that steak and we're just gonna go straight in. Let's just see if we can get a nice sear on it, guys. Got a couple pieces of garlic here, so that's gonna throw in there for flavor. Alright, what you're doing is just trying to get a nice sear on the outside to lock the flavor in. Okay, guys, so we're just gonna do this. I wanna say maybe about a minute on each side. And that's it, guys. Just to give it and try to give it a nice sear here. Now I prefer my steak outside on the grill. Ain't nothing like steak on a nice charcoal grill. But sometimes it's more convenient doing it inside the house. So this is the way to get it done in the oven. Alright, so let's go ahead and peek on that side, see what that looks like. Yeah, so that's kind of what you're looking for. Alright, see if I can get you a better look right there. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. While the other side is going, I'm gonna go ahead and drop a piece of butter in here. That butter is good, guys. Help keep the steak nice and moist. Now while doing this, it's gonna smoke a little bit, as you see, but nothing for you to be worried about. Just all that fat in there, butter. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and get some of that right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and baste that steak. Now when I season the steak, guys, I just use pretty much, my own steak season that I'll be buying, and also mix like a little paprika and garlic powder. I'm sorry, black pepper in there also, some cayenne pepper. You can make up your own little mix, or if you want to try out a certain steak seasoning that you see at the store, Alright. That look nice, guys, so we ain't gonna wait any longer. I'm gonna just take this now, cut this flame off, and then we're gonna grab this pot here, and we're gonna go straight in the oven. Now, if you look down here, I got the rack up to the very top, because if you look, I'll put that in right there in the middle, and if you look right here, See how red that is up there? That's what you're looking for. Needs to be directly underneath it. Alright? So guys, we're just gonna go ahead and we'll come back and check on that in about 2 minutes. Alright guys, let's go back and check on this now. So guys, make sure you use something to hold this very hot. So see how that's sizzling on top there? That's what you're looking for. We're gonna go ahead and grab this, flip it. So you see, because it's not gonna take that long. Now guys, I do the whole finger trick. If you can just poke it. Now for a well done steak, you know, it should have a bit of firmness to it. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I test it. This still got about a few more minutes. So I'm gonna leave that in there for maybe I will come back and check on this in another minute because it cooks pretty quickly. Alright, let's check on this again. Yeah, I think this just so we need it to be, guys. Okay, that feels just right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Okay, that's what we're looking like right there. Now guys, before we cut into this, you always want to let the steak sit for a few minutes before you cut into it. That kind of helps for the steak to absorb back up all them juices and stuff. Now if I should cut this right now, all them good juices in the steak will end up running out, and it's going to make the steak more chewy. You want a nice juicy steak, guys. So this looks perfect, so I'm going to transfer this over here to my cutting board. Alright, now we're going to let this sit for a few minutes. Now in the meantime, while that sit, guys, now I'm gonna show you real quick how to test to get the steak at home, you know, to your desired liking. So a pretty simple trick is just taking your thumb and this finger here, put it together like that, and if you feel right here, that's a rare steak. If you put it to the next finger, that's a medium rare steak. Medium well done. So that texture right there, that's what I'm looking for. When you can feel how tense that is, you know, that's what I'm looking for right there. Alright, so when I feel this, it feels the same thing like that there. So that's what we're looking for. So now we're going to let this sit, let this rest for about 3 minutes or so, and then we'll come back and we'll cut into it. Alright guys, so it's actually been about 2 minutes. This feels pretty good here, look nice. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and slice this thinly. Alright. Yeah. This looks nice and perfectly well done, guys. Oh yeah. See that? Alright, let's go ahead and try a piece of this, guys. Perfect. Perfect, well done, nice and juicy. Guys, you can't ask for a better steak than that. I mean, personally, again, I like mine on the outside grill, but inside, you can't get any better than that, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know, let me know. Test the video out, the recipe out. Like I said, use your own seasoning. Put together a mix that you like. Do it, sear it in the oven. Follow the process and comment and let me know how it came out. Again, thanks for watching, guys.